Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can secure your Google account in just follow few steps. So go to myaccount.google.com. Then here you can see so many options. Go to privacy checkup, then pause web and app activation, show all activity controls, location history, pause. You have to pause here everything so that Google can't trace you. Pause this option too. Device information, voice and audio activity. This is mainly for Google voice typing or Google Assistant. Pause this too. Then YouTube search history. Whatever you search on YouTube are noted there. YouTube watch history. Everything you watch in YouTube, pause. Nothing are doing to left here, so let's check another options. I think this is so go back. Everything is paused, as you can see. So now we can go another section to increase our privacy. Before that, okay, let's go back. Go to we keep your account protected. Your device recent security options. So here are my devices which are connected to my Google account. Then recent security, event, two-step verifications. Type here your Google password. I'm typing mine. Click on next. Then check your phone. If your phone turned light off on it, then press on yes. Then press on yes. Okay. Our account is active by two-step verification. Keep it turned on. Turned on Google prompts for all phones. Here are some backup codes. If you have not your device, you can use these backup codes. The authentication app. Next, you have to download your authentication app from Google Play Store. Let's see how you can download from Google Play Store. Install, process. It is installing. Open. Similarly, this work for the barcode. This is a barcode scanner app. sign in to Google. Okay, ready to add account. Scan a barcode. Then try to scan this barcode. If you can't scan the barcode, you can select on or click on can scan it, then press next. Here you will see a code. Set up authenticator, then done. Voice or text message. Place here your phone number. Then you can select text message or phone call. I'm selecting text message. Then a security code will be sent on your phone. You have to write it here, then click on done. Security key. This is the last option for secure Google accounts. If you don't have any registered security key, you don't need that. If you have any, you have to connect with USB cable. Cancel. I think everything is okay. Nothing is left here. So this is the tutorial about how to secure